Have you ever seen an alien? Well, if you have, you're one of the few lucky people on Earth who has made direct contact with extraterrestrial life. While others may have been doubtful, the recent 2023 House Committee Oversight and Accountability hearing now acts as proof of the existence of alien life on Earth. However, even then, the information we got from the hearing was minimal at best. Confirming the presence of aliens is one thing, but to go into detail is a whole other ballpark. Well, that's exactly what we're here to talk about. I'm Aidan, and here's the top 5 disturbing alien life facts NASA is hiding. At number 5 is advanced alien technology. Before you guys come at me and call me some sci-fi nut, hear me out. For aliens to get to Earth, they would need highly complex and state-of-the-art technology to create spacecrafts that safely take them from galaxy to galaxy. While this is something most people are aware of, the true nature of alien technology still remains a secret. In the momentous Grush hearing, he goes on to explain that the United States government is currently harboring and hiding alien technology and life. He claimed that the US has retrieved multiple crashed UFOs, some with aliens still inside, and upon retrieval, they picked them apart in order to research their technologies. However, we still have zero information on what exactly they've found and what futuristic technical knowledge they've attained. We have a general idea of the great danger that we may be in when in contact with an alien threat, but the full extent of that danger remains hidden. We can only assume that the US is in the process of deciphering the secrets to making our own UFOs, which we could use to explore other planets within and outside our solar system, and perhaps even colonize them. But we might not have to wait for very long before we discover what it is we know and what it is we don't know. Harvard professor Avi Loeb has been in Papua New Guinea investigating a meteor that crashed in the neighboring ocean in 2014. This specific meteor was of great interest, as when it crashed, it moved at speeds that are too fast for it to be gravitationally bound to the sun, and that the material it's made of was significantly tougher than that of other meteors. These traits indicate that the meteor could in fact be some sort of spacecraft or piece of alien technology. Upon finally finding the interstellar rock, Loeb and crew found microscopic, marble-like objects made of an alloy never before seen in our solar system. If these small marbles are confirmed to be artificial, then we could be stumbling upon the first confirmed pieces of genuine extraterrestrial technology. My theory? These are alien microplastics, or at least some sort of equivalent. The microscopic size of these marbles can indicate that these are only smaller, broken down versions of pre-existing technology or items that aliens might use. If this is the case, then hopefully scientists will find a way to reverse engineer these small alien spheres and discover their true origins. Coming up next, at number 4, is Panspermia. Deriving from the ancient Greek words pan, meaning all, and sperma, meaning seed, Panspermia is a hypothesis created by the Greek philosopher Anaxagoras in the 5th century BC. It states that life exists all across the universe, as it has been distributed by space dust, meteoroids, asteroids, and of course different spacecrafts carrying bacteria and other microorganisms. Hence the name Panspermia. It means that the seeds of life are spread all across the universe. All, pan, seed, spermia, yeah, you get it. While the concept of panspermia emerged thousands of years ago, its relevance to our understanding of extraterrestrial life is as vibrant as ever. In recent space exploration missions, the European Space Agency's ExoMars rover and NASA's Perseverance rover have been equipped with instruments built specifically to analyze the surface of Mars for signs of life that has found itself on the planet through space dust, comets, and all those other fun space things. Furthermore, advancements in space exploration have led to discovery of something called extremophiles, resilient microorganisms that thrive in the extreme environments on Earth and other places in space. Their existence on Earth indicates that life can also thrive on the harsh environments of other planets. The most well-known example of an extremophile, you might have heard of them, is the tardigrade, better known as a water bear. These 8-legged microanimals are thought to be one of the most resilient life forms known. They are capable of surviving extreme temperatures, pressures, air deprivation, high amounts of radiation, dehydration, and starvation. In fact, tardigrades are so resilient that they're capable of surviving the cold, dark vacuum of space. If animals that can survive in space already exist on Earth, imagine how many other tardigrade-like species exist on other planets, opening the door for panspermia across the universe. Who knows, maybe there are plenty of extremophilic aliens on Earth already. We've just been looking in the wrong places. And at number 3 is going to be life on Mars. The existence of life on Mars is certainly not a new concept to anyone, especially with the discovery of water on the red planet, which is widely considered in the scientific community to be a necessary foundation for the development of life. However, even with all these findings, NASA claims to be incapable of finding actual life on Mars. but that might be because it's already found its way to Earth 13,000 years ago. Alan Hill's 84001, or just ALH 84001 for short, is an ancient meteorite discovered in Antarctica in 1984. The remarkable rock, ejected from the Martian surface 4.1 billion years ago, has offered many clues towards the existence of life hidden beneath our solar neighbor's surface. In 1996, a team of scientists led by David McKay of NASA's Johnson Space Center announced their discovery of intriguing fossil-like microstructures and features within the meteorite. These fossils imply that life on Mars did in fact exist, just long before humanity. And this isn't the only proof. In 1976, the United States landed 2 of their own Viking landers, making them the first US spacecrafts to land on the red planet. The crafts would be the first to take high-resolution images of the planet and analyze a variety of the planet's features. But most importantly, an examination of the Martian soil tested positive for metabolism, which heavily suggests the presence of life. Theories of them hiding the alien race to Martians having been long extinct, and that the red planet's desolate nature is caused by it being the ruins of a once vivacious planet. But what do you guys think? Is life currently on Mars? Has it already gone extinct? Or maybe there are already Martians hidden among us right now? Tell me in the comments. At number 2 is life across the solar system. Immanuel Kant, the renowned 18th century philosopher, posited a compelling argument regarding the potential existence of alien intelligence in his work titled Universal Natural History and Theory of the Heavens, which is probably the coolest book name ever, but I digress. Kant states that the universe is so vast that the existence of aliens is certain. I mean, there are just so many stars and planets that at least one of them has to sustain life, right? It was his ideas that laid the groundwork for modern discussions on the existence of extraterrestrial life. The Drake equation, formulated by astrophysicist Frank Drake in 1961, complements Kant's theories by providing a more mathematical approach to estimate the number of alien civilizations in our galaxy that might be capable of communication. The equation factors in various variables, such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, the number of habitable planets per star, the fraction of planets where life emerges, and the longevity of technologically advanced civilizations. With the hundreds of billions of stars within our galaxy, along with the recent discoveries of exoplanets around those stars, there are certainly countless habitable worlds scattered throughout the Milky Way. In fact, life could exist within our very solar system. Beyond just Mars and its many riverbeds and subsurface water ice, there's Enceladus and Titan, moons of Saturn. These moons both have subsurface oceans, lakes, rivers, and seas beneath their icy crusts, making them potential hotbeds for life. Some scientists have even observed on Titan that there may be living cells deep within its seas, making it home to several microbial Saturnian species. It's kind of a mouthful. Another theory of Kant's was that aliens' intelligence becomes more intelligent the further we are from the star that we orbit, meaning that planets like Mercury and Venus would not be likely to hold intelligent life, but planets like Saturn and Neptune hold highly intelligent life. Now, I don't mean to toot my own horn, but humans are already a very smart species. But if Kant's theory is correct, then that would make us the dumb ones in the solar system. Us, the dumb ones. What the hell? Anyway, at number 1 is the wow signal. With the confirmation of alien life on Earth and its existence on other planets within our solar system, there is not a single doubt in my mind that aliens populate not only our galaxy, but the entire depths of space. However, what NASA doesn't want you to know is that we've actually been directly contacted by aliens nearly half a century ago. On August 15th, 1977, astronomer Jerry R. Ayman, I probably pronounced that wrong, would find something incredible while working on the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI for short, project at Ohio State University. Using the university's Big Ear radio telescope, he was able to intercept a mysterious and strong radio signal coming from the Sagittarius constellation, which lasted for 72 seconds and displayed characteristics suggesting an artificial source. Any Sag fans watching right now? The signal got its name because after Ayman discovered it, he would circle it and write "wow" in big letters next to it. What makes it so fascinating are its unique characteristics. It was a narrow-band radio signal, meaning it was confined to a very specific range of radio frequencies. Natural cosmic sources do not emit signals in such a narrow range, making the signal's origin almost certainly alien. Moreover, the signal's intensity varied significantly during its brief appearance, suggesting suggesting a point source moving relative to the telescope. The immediate assumption at the time was that this signal was caused by a passing satellite, but extensive research and attempts to recreate the signal has shown that it is impossible to recreate by human means. Unfortunately, the signal was so seemingly random that it is undecipherable, and humanity has yet to receive such a signal since. But with all these aliens close to us already, I have no doubt the ones way far out will contact us again soon. Let's just cross our fingers and hope they're friendly. If one thing is certain, it's that we're going to be interacting with alien life a whole lot more in the near future, and I'm all here for it. But what about you guys? Does the very idea of talking to an alien make you froth at the mouth? Or are you more in the camp of not caring about aliens because life is already too busy to be worrying about these kinds of things? Either way, this seems to be an issue that will only get more and more prevalent as time passes. But anyways, folks, we're gonna have to cut it here. So thanks for watching, and remember to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one. 1984. The remarkable rock ejected from the Martian surface is an ancient meteorite discovered in Antarctica in 1984.